Waste Management, established in 1968, grew quickly and became a $2 billion company by 1985. However, from 1992 to 1997, the company was involved in a financial scandal where the top management manipulated financial records to make the company appear more profitable than it was. They inflated asset value like garbage truck and ignored landfill depreciation, which boosted their profit falsely. And this also led to a 1.7 billion correction in 1998, the largest restatement at the time. This fraud impact audit quality and auditor liability. Auditor play a crucial role in identifying fraud such as depreciation manipulation. Failure to detect error like ignoring landfill expense raises a concern about audit quality and liability. Auditor must verify expense recognition and asset value to ensure accurate financial reporting. Overall, fraud reduces audit quality and increases auditor liability. Misrepresenting financial data affect report accuracy and inadequate planning for future liability, which distort financial statement.
Next, we move to the analysis the factor. In the context of the waste management governance scandals of 2022, several factors had a significant impact on audit quality and auditor liability. Let's analyze these factors and determine which ones had the greatest impact. The first factor is revenue recognition manipulation. Manipulating revenue recognition directly distorts the financial statements, making it challenging for auditors to provide an accurate assessment of the company's financial position and performance. The second factor is improper expense capitalization. By capitalizing expenses instead of expensing them, the company artificially inflated its profits, misleading investors and stakeholders. The third factor is weak internal controls. In the case of waste management, weak internal controls facilitate fraudulent activities and made it difficult for auditors to identify irregularities. The fourth factor is management override of controls. In the waste management scandal, instances of management overriding internal controls contributed to fraudulent financial reporting. And the last factor is pressure to meet financial targets. The pressure to achieve financial targets can compromise management integrity and willingness to engage in fraudulent activity.
Several recommendations have been made based on the analysis conducted. Firstly, waste management needs to double-check their revenue recognition process to ensure accurate financial reporting. This involves analyzing trends, comparing them to history and industry norms, and reviewing contracts. Accurate revenue figures are vital for good business decisions. On top of that, waste management can improve spending audits by training auditors to spot errors in capitalizing expenses. Training should cover expense types, proper accounting, and finding mistakes. Accounting guides by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, or AICPA, can help auditors to do this right. Thirdly, the company can strengthen audits by focusing on internal controls. This includes deeper risk assessments, reviewing key controls, and getting management sign-offs. It helps auditors identify weaknesses in financial reporting. Next, waste management can prevent future fraud by checking for pressured accounting. This includes looking for signs of management pushing numbers, like big one-time changes or a bonus system tied to profit, like the 1998 scandal. They can also talk to employees to see how management acts. Last but not least, the business can reduce pressure to hit financial targets by having auditors talk to the board about management incentive. This ensures ethical financial reporting and a culture of honesty.
End of our discussion. We admit this happened due to several factors, namely manipulated revenue recognition, improper capitalization of expense, weak internal control, management over control, and pressure to achieve financial target. This issue can be controlled following the risks that may be faced with strong recommendation. For example, implementing comprehensive revenue recognition, improving capitalization audit, strengthening internal control evaluation, developing strict guidelines to deal with pressure through better communication. This can ensure the accuracy, transparency, and reliability of financial statement reporting as well as facilitate stakeholders to assess and understand the financial position of a company organization.